Hola amigos! Isaac checking in.
Hey, what's up? This is Koen, your favorite keyboard player from Epica. Hey, hello.
Hi guys, I'm Mark from Epica.
Hey everybody, this is Arjen from Epica.
This is about the Retrospect show, which is going to be on the 23rd of March next year in Eindhoven, Holland, the Netherlands.
The 10-year anniversary show, Retrospect.
23rd of March in Eindhoven, Kokgebouw.
It's called Retrospect. It's our 10th anniversary show. And we would like to tell you that you have 1 week left to buy tickets with an early bird discount.
There's only 1 week left to buy the early bird tickets.
There's still 1 week left for the early bird tickets.
There's still early bird tickets, so be quick, be fast.
Tickets with discount.
Pre-sales are going pretty well, and yeah, we all want you to be there.
You're invited.
Be there.
We see each other on the road. And in Eindhoven, of course. Cheers.
Speel.